Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we are from Group 1 and today we will explain about Biography of R.A and Kartini. Okay, first I will introduce myself. My name is Frida Amora as predictor.
My name is Suha Malika as Arifin.
My name is Dewi Farida as question.
My name is Istiqomah as summaries.
Okay, first of all, I will explain about RADEN and Kartini as predictor. Kartini was advisor for women emancipation. Her sacrifices meant that Indonesian women can now receive the highest possible education, participate in government position, or work in high profession and have an equal position with men. And then Kartini's struggle against discrimination encouraged modern women today to dare to fight the stereotype that women end up being housewives. All women do not need to hesitate because they actually have the same rights and opportunities in pursuing their dreams and aspirations of obtaining higher education. And the main problem experienced by Kartini was a patriarchal culture where she felt that her desire to progress in terms of education was hindered by the views of society that had been held for generations. And next is Q&A section.
Okay, I want to ask about the Kartini. First, when Kartini founded her school?
The answer is Semarang, Surabaya, Yogyakarta, Malang, Madiun, Cirebon.
Oh. And the second, what is the name of the school founded by Kartini?
The answer is Kartini School.
And what book did Kartini write?
The answer is title Habis Gelap Tapi Belakang.
And then, when was Kartini born?
The answer is 21 April 1879.
Last, what do you know about the woman emancipation?
The answer is women's emancipation is the process of releasing women from the socio-economic position or from legal restraints that limit the possibilities for development and progress.
Okay, thank you.
And then I want to explain as summaries. Kartini was born in Jepara in April 1879. She was the daughter of a nobleman who was not allowed to continue her education because her parents wanted her to marry her Adipati Jayaningrat. While waiting for her wedding, Kartini filled her time by reading, writing, and other science. After getting married, Kartini went with her husband Willis Carter Kartini in built a Greek school. With her persistence, Kartini was able to establish a women's school which was named Kartini School. On September 13, 1904, Kartini gave birth to a boy named Singhi or Raden Masal Syahid. But Raden Ajeng Kartini he worsted despite receiving special treatment, and finally on September 17, 1904, Raden Ajeng Kartini breathed her last breath at the age of 25 and left a work with the title Habis Gelap Tapi Belakang.
Okay, I think our explain is enough. Would you please apologize us if we have any mistake in our explanation? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.